Mechanical and Polymer is a 4-year ab initio, and at the end of it you'll emerge with an honours degree. We hold committee meetings with industry experts, and they ask them, what does industry want at the moment? And the courses is geared around that, because it's very important that there's work for the students at the end. So the skills developed is project management, time management of course is always very important, and also they start to understand the fundamentals of engineering subjects like materials and processes. There is work placement in the course, it's built in. In third year you'll be assigned a company, and what you do is you'll work in that company and develop real life skills, so you'll get used to an industrial environment. And what we found is it's important for students to get time in industry, because it's an opportunity for them to sell themselves to the industry. And what we're finding is a lot of our students get job placements or job offers from the job placements. The teaching style for this course is a mixed approach. We're very lucky, we've access to state-of-the-art equipment, so students get hands-on experience with the equipment they'll be expected to use in industry. And also of course there's the traditional lectures where the students take part in a kind of interactive experience with the lecturer. With the Mechanical and Polymer course, the career opportunities are very broad. So you could end up in the medical industry, which is a very vibrant workplace at the minute. It's a lot of employers are seeking out our graduates, but also because it's a mechanical course as well, there is opportunities to branch into project management and other sectors.